Well, here we are again from a sunny blue sky, 13 degrees, although quite windy, skeggy. So I said I would send Vince at Twisted Coil a little video of what I thought might be a good little project. So I'm going to flip this round so that he can see what we've got. And there we go. It's a rather large 1200 litre drum that in the bottom of it has the lid upturned to make a conical base, which I think would make a very good super large eazypod type filter, if I can work out how to do it. Now it's going to be pump fed, not a gravity feed, and the reason for doing this is that, well, I'll show you. This IBC here took me 4.5 hours. Yes, 4.5 hours to clean on Sunday, and it was 2 degrees, so that wasn't fun. 12 lots of filter foams, getting the sludge out of the bottom, jack mat and filter floss, and yeah, I'd quite like an easier solution than having it stand out in the cold doing that. It seemed like a very good idea in the summer, and it really wasn't a pain to clean, but when it's freezing cold and wet, not so much fun. So what do you think, Vince? Any thoughts on that? Let me know. So the piggies are quite active today because it's a little bit warmer. We've got malachite green and aquaflavin in the pond at the moment. So I noticed one of my Issa shower seems to be having a bit of a bacterial issue. This one here. He's looking very pink and red around the back end. Not looking very happy at all. So I thought, right, we'll get some aquaflavin in there and get some malachite in there. We've also got the achiba that's showing signs of fungus, so I thought, well, we'll try and get everything all at the same time. And then once that's done its thing, I will probably PP in the pond just to try and kill any remaining bacteria that are floating around before we start getting into the spring and the good bacteria starting to kick off. So apart from that, everything's tickety-boo. All the rest of the water pigs are quite happy. Water temperature today is they're getting about 6 or 7 degrees. So slowly crept up from the 2 degrees it was the other day. So Vince, what do we think about the big drum? Do we think that'll be overkill? Do I need to look at something a bit smaller? Do I just convert the IBC into a eazypod type assembly? Although I'm not sure about the IBC with it being square. I think it'd be better round. I mean, that would make a massive filter, but it's whether it would work in an eazypod type configuration. So your thoughts on that would be much appreciated. Bye now.